Hello viewers, this is the noisy incandescent light bulb downstairs. This was installed in September of 2025 and it worked properly from December 2025 up until the end of January 2026. Made a bunch of noises in between, but it illuminated properly, and now it seems to require some banging to work. That's been like that for several days now, and now today it's become increasingly worse to the point where I can't get it to actually stay on. So let me get a screwdriver and we'll take this off and take a closer look. When I first published the video about it making the noise, there was a large volume of people that were dead set on the fact that I didn't screw the light bulb in adequately and that the fixture was arcing, and then of course some people got dramatic and said, oh, it's going to catch on fire and blow up and blah blah blah. It's not loose. It never was. I know how to screw in a light bulb. And to me, the sound didn't even sound like an arc. An electrical arc is a very distinct sound, and I don't think that this sounded like it all that much. So it's not loose. It's as tight as it goes within reason. Now let's go ahead and get another bulb and see if it works properly. Here's another light bulb. This one is used, so hopefully it actually is good. Okay, now see, it's making contact. It's not a bad socket. The socket works fine. It 100% was that bulb. This needs to be cleaned. It's got a little bit of that haze on there. Unfortunately, this is breaking. One of these screws, yeah, this side here, is stripped out. So I'm going to have to get a new tap and just tap a larger hole and use a larger screw. For now we can just tighten it exclusively from the other side, but that's not really the best solution, and chances are the other screw here is going to do the same thing in due time. Although maybe not. I haven't had any of these other fixtures strip out like this, so perhaps this is a one-off. Okay, that should be good for a while. Now let's take a closer look at that bulb. Here's the bulb. Let's put it into this socket here and see how it behaves. I don't know if this is on or off. Alright, I want to see if we can break this open without damaging the capsule. So the way this works is, this is just like a fake bulb, if you will, on the outside, and there's a halogen capsule on the inside which is much smaller than that outer glass. And I want to see if we can break this open and take a look at the way it's either secured to the leads or whatever the heck might potentially be wrong with it. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this here without risking any damage to the, I guess there's always a risk of damage to the capsule. I'm just going to lightly tap this with a hammer. Okay, good. So now, there we go. I think that's our problem. There's a, I don't know if this is polarity correct or not. I think that this was loose on there, and it's very evident that it has definitely been arcing. In fact, that's the sound. That's very similar to what we were hearing. So this bulb, we can probably fix this. And of course, if I can fix it, we'll go ahead and I'll have to do some vacuuming. We'll go ahead and put it back in the fixture and let it run its course, because there's no reason to waste a good light bulb. I wonder if I can bend that this contact around the leg of the bulb. I just put the soldering stuff away today, go figure. But I think soldering would probably be the correct fix for this. I'll bend this side away from there. So at the end of the day, this was a defective bulb. It's an odd defect, but it did happen. Okay, I think that that should be operational 100%. And I'll go ahead and wipe off the bulb, because it's said that the oils on your skin can damage the glass housing and cause it to implode. All right, let's see if it works now. Yep, it works and it's quiet. So let's go ahead and put it back into the light. I guess I should not have bothered to put that whole thing back together. Oh boy, now it's stuck on here. Not good. And of course now this is probably too hot to touch. Let's see, maybe not, it's only been on for a few minutes. I'm going to have to turn off the lights in order to screw this in. Okay, I'll go ahead and screw it in now. And I'm just going to have to wipe off the bulb again. Okay, now let's turn it on and see if it's working. And is it quiet? Both. It's working and it's quiet. with this here. Well, this is certainly a bit atypical, but I'm glad we didn't have to throw out a light bulb. That's the halogen capsule. Okay, so that will run like that for a year, a couple months, who knows? Time will tell. Probably some of the lifespan was eaten up when I kept banging the fixture all week to get it to come back on. Let's get all this cleaned up. This is a laceration hazard. And now we gotta clean up the floor because this is a laceration hazard as well. Kind of sounded like the belt was wearing out on this, but I think it's just the uneven nature of the floor. Bah.